It's just so silly. I don't know.
You gotta do it. I don't care.
Okay, okay.
What are you doing here?
So have you ever wondered what's on the inside of an oil filter? Well, today I'm going to cut this thing open and show you.
And evaluating what we need to see inside the filter.
Yeah. Ugh.
He's not used to just doing something half-assed like his dad wants.
Yeah, well, you know. All right, so safety first, but what we're going to do is we're going to chop the lid off this thing using one of these cutoff discs, and we'll see what's inside. And then you want to come over here so you can see. First thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to plop this thing into the vise, tighten that thing way down, and then we'll see if we can cut it off. Oh, that's awesome. Go. Okay, so now we got this thing all nice and cut up, and you can see the inside of this thing's kind of weird. This is actually from my dad's Silverado that we just got done rebuilding. But when you look inside this thing, it's basically just a filter like what would be in any other kind of, you know, like a fuel filter or something like that. It's a pretty simple little canister. Usually on the bottom they got little pieces in there. The funny thing is, if this was a Fram filter, this thing would be made out of cardboard. Luckily this thing's made by Wix. So it's actually pretty decent. You know, it's pretty cheap, but it'll work. You want to try to bring it close so you can see close up. Turn that all the way the other way. There you go. Keep going. No, the other way. Keep going all the way till it stops. Stop. Okay, good. And then if you could use look at the thing and right here.
Okay.
What did you say?
So from what I could tell, this thing's looking pretty clean. I'm not seeing too many bits of metal in there. And inside there, it's just like a little cylinder piece. So it's, you know, it's just used to filter the oil in and out of there. We're just looking for any major chunks of metal because we recently rebuilt this engine and we wanted to make sure that it was good to go. And from everything I'm seeing here, it looks pretty good. So yeah, if you're ever wondering what's inside your oil filter, it's a filter.